I'm Ruth and I'm here with Andrea Williams. She's a registered medical herbalist and she's here to talk to us about the beautiful happy flowers that we have called marigolds, but also called calendula to some people. So she's going to give us a little talk about it.
I am, and it's Calendula officinalis is the botanical name. Now calendula is native to Mediterranean Europe and it grows well here in New Zealand and Australia. The flowers and mainly ray florets are gathered just before the disc florets begin to open. They're a source of vitamin A, C and phosphorus. We also use this herb to improve lymphatic drainage and for infections and skin conditions. We use the oil in tincture and creams for skin conditions as well. We use it for fungal infections and mouth ulcers and a lot more actually. Infusions of the flower can also be used as an eye wash and throat gargles.
Wow, that's great. Did you know that you can use the oil to get rid of warts?
I did not.
Yeah, it's quite a good natural remedy. But that's just amazing. So versatile, isn't it?
So do you infuse the oil and then just put it on the warts?
Yeah. So you probably have to rub it a few times, but
okay.
You just keep massaging it in so it absorbs well into it. Yeah, so it's great on all skin conditions, so
yeah,
give it a try.
That's actually a good tip. I will remember that. Thank you, Ruth.
Yeah.
It's amazing how God can create so many wonderful plants, and especially beautiful flowers like the orange and the yellow, just to brighten up our day. It's like a little ball of sunshine, isn't it?
So you can also dry. So then you can, because it's not flowering all the time, so you can pop it aside, dry it, pop it in a jar ready for making some teas or infusions. I quite like to use it on a salad because it just brightens it all up, especially if you can use the orange and the yellow being that they're the same medicinal purposes. So it's sweet as well, so it's not a terrible thing to have on, and it makes it look lovely.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Well, that's something we can always praise God for, isn't it? For His beauty. Yeah.
It's always provided for us in so many ways, even just giving us something beautiful to look at in our gardens.
Yep.